Gentlemen, this is Dr. Michelle Zion. Erectile dysfunction, or ED, is more common than most men realize. Millions of men worldwide struggle with occasional or chronic difficulty achieving or maintaining an erection, yet many don't fully understand why it happens or how to address it. In this video, we're focusing on a solution that's gaining attention for its ability to improve erections quickly, a natural powder, and explaining why it works, how it interacts with the body, and the science behind its effectiveness, directly from a urologist's perspective. This isn't a gimmick or quick fix. It's a natural approach that supports the body's physiology and sexual health. First, let's break down the problem. Erectile dysfunction is not simply losing interest in sex. It's a complex condition influenced by multiple factors, including blood flow, nerve function, hormonal balance, and psychological well-being. The penis requires adequate blood flow to fill and maintain rigidity. Conditions such as high blood pressure, diabetes, obesity, poor circulation, and low testosterone can all contribute to weaker erections. Additionally, stress, fatigue, and anxiety further interfere with sexual performance. Understanding these root causes is the first step toward regaining control over your sexual health. So how does a natural powder help? Most powders designed for erectile support combine a mix of ingredients that target blood flow, hormone balance, and libido. Key components often include L-arginine, Citrulline, Ginseng, Maca root, and other herbal vasodilators. Each ingredient works differently, but synergistically. L-arginine and citrulline are amino acids that the body converts into nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels and improves circulation. Increased nitric oxide directly enhances blood flow to the penis, resulting in firmer, more sustainable erections. Clinical studies show that men with higher nitric oxide levels experience improved erectile function and sexual performance. Herbal ingredients like ginseng and maca root also play a role. Ginseng has been extensively studied for its ability to enhance libido, energy, and sexual stamina, acting on both the nervous system and hormonal pathways. Maca root supports sexual function by balancing hormone levels and increasing overall vitality. When combined with amino acids that improve circulation, these herbs create a potent formula that can accelerate improvements in erectile function. This is why many men notice results faster than they would with lifestyle changes alone, some even within a few days to a couple of weeks depending on their health and severity of ED. It's important to note that not all powders are created equal. Quality matters. Look for products that are clinically tested, third-party verified, and free of artificial additives or stimulants. Avoid products that promise instant results or contain unknown ingredients, as these may be ineffective or even harmful. The best powders support your body's natural mechanisms rather than forcing an artificial response. While powders can help, they work best in combination with healthy lifestyle practices. Regular exercise improves circulation and heart health, both of which are critical for maintaining erections. Maintaining a healthy weight reduces risk factors like diabetes, hypertension, and vascular disease, which are major contributors to ED. Stress reduction techniques, such as mindfulness or meditation, help prevent psychological interference with sexual performance. And sufficient quality sleep is essential, because inadequate rest lowers testosterone levels and reduces sexual desire. When combined with these lifestyle adjustments, powders often produce the fastest and most noticeable results. Safety is another important factor. Most natural powders are safe for healthy men, but men with pre-existing conditions or those taking medications, especially for heart disease, blood pressure, or anticoagulants, should consult a urologist or physician before starting any supplement. While interactions are rare, a professional can provide guidance on dosage and timing to maximize efficacy while minimizing risks. Psychological factors play a surprisingly large role in erectile function. Anxiety, depression, and relationship stress can reduce sexual performance even when circulation is adequate. Interestingly, many men report that improvements from these powders boost confidence, which in turn helps overcome performance anxiety. This creates a positive feedback loop. Better erections lead to improved confidence, which leads to better sexual experiences. Confidence, in many ways, can be just as important as physical improvements when it comes to consistent sexual performance. Now, let's discuss the tangible effects men notice when using a powder. Users often report stronger rigidity, quicker responsiveness, and longer-lasting erections. Some notice increased sexual stamina, improved sensitivity, and an overall more satisfying experience. Importantly, these powders work gradually, supporting the body's natural mechanisms rather than producing instant but temporary effects like prescription medications. Over time, regular use can lead to sustained improvements in erectile function and sexual satisfaction. In addition to erectile improvement, these powders can enhance overall sexual health. By increasing blood flow, supporting hormone balance, and reducing anxiety-related performance issues, men often experience heightened sexual desire and energy. Many also report improved intimacy with their partners because they feel more confident and capable in the bedroom. This is a key reminder that sexual health is not just physical, it's emotional and relational as well. Let's dive deeper into the science behind nitric oxide, one of the most important mechanisms in natural powders. Nitric oxide is a molecule that signals blood vessels to relax, allowing increased blood flow. In the penis, this means stronger erections. L-arginine and citrulline serve as precursors to nitric oxide. Research shows that supplementation with these amino acids can improve erectile function in men with mild to moderate ED. Additionally, nitric oxide plays a role in overall cardiovascular health, meaning that improving erectile function can also benefit the heart. Herbs like ginseng and maca root are adaptogens. They help the body respond to stress and support hormonal balance. Ginseng, in particular, has been shown to enhance sexual function by improving nitric oxide synthesis, increasing energy, and boosting mood. Maca root is known to improve libido and fertility markers in men, supporting both sexual performance and overall reproductive health. Together, these ingredients not only address the physical mechanics of erections, but also the hormonal and psychological aspects of desire. Another important point is timing and consistency. While some men notice improvements within days, the full benefits usually appear after consistent use over several weeks. Powders are most effective when paired with healthy lifestyle habits, such as cardiovascular exercise, a balanced diet, stress management, and proper sleep. This holistic approach maximizes results and supports long-term erectile health. Psychological confidence is often overlooked, but plays a major role in men's sexual performance. Many men with ED experience performance anxiety, which further impairs erections. Using a natural powder can enhance confidence by giving men noticeable improvements that reduce fear of failure, creating a positive mental and physical feedback loop. As confidence grows, erections become easier to achieve and maintain, and sexual experiences become more enjoyable for both partners. Finally, erectile dysfunction should never be ignored. It's often a warning sign of underlying health issues such as cardiovascular disease, diabetes, hormonal imbalances, or nerve damage. Using a powder to support erectile function is a safe and natural step, but it should also encourage men to consult with a urologist or healthcare provider to rule out serious conditions. By addressing ED comprehensively through supplementation, lifestyle improvements, and medical oversight, men can restore sexual function, improve their overall health, and enjoy a more fulfilling sex life. In conclusion, natural powders work to improve erectile function by enhancing blood flow, boosting nitric oxide, supporting hormone balance, and reducing anxiety, all while improving confidence and intimacy. They are safe, effective, and can produce quick results when combined with healthy habits and professional guidance. Erectile dysfunction is rarely caused by a single factor. It is a multifaceted condition that requires a comprehensive approach. By incorporating natural supplementation, lifestyle adjustments, and medical oversight, men can regain control over their sexual health, strengthen their relationships, and improve overall well-being. If you're struggling with ED, Consider discussing natural powders with your urologist, commit to heart-healthy habits, and maintain open communication with your partner. With the right approach, erectile issues can be managed safely and effectively, helping men restore confidence, performance, and satisfaction in their sexual lives.